My name is Robert Brunetti. I'm the chairman of Arrowlign. I wanted to share the Arrowlign story with you. After 2 years of incubation, of beta testing the market, and actually using the product myself, in 2018, John DeMatteis and Francisco Jorge decided to take this company national. So we sat down at a dinner in New York City one evening and we hashed out a great plan which unfolds our story. Here at the Arrowlign Corporation, we made sure that we wanted to line up not only a great smile, but a great result from a customer satisfaction. We want to make sure that every single step of the way, our provider, the dentist, is satisfied with their process and their procedures so that they can bring the best smiles possible to their patients. With a lot of different choices in the marketplace today, we want to make sure that Arrowlign is the clear choice for you. Arrowlign, the right choice, the clear choice, lining you up with a perfect smile.